Hi everyone, my name is Debbie Jo. Welcome to my channel, and today I am out on a fun little adventure kind of close to the house, and just wanted to come out and get some views. You know, in life we get so caught up in the hustle and bustle that do we really understand the seasons of change? Spring creates so much growth that on a summer day you would never be able to see that view. But as autumn comes in, you then begin to have things fall away to see the beauty of what is still remaining, the truth. How fitting that that is yellow, and the glints of light and fire of reds are what bring us into fall. But yet, through all the things that have come to pass, we have a time and place that you can see through the forest to a new day. Much love and light to each of you.